Hey guys, it's Chris here from Forever USA, ready to show you guys another great trick for Multi-Trans Pro, but this time on a black mug. I typically love putting things onto black mugs because it helps the color pop so much. Once again, with this Multi-Trans Pro process, it is as easy as a one-step process, but I especially love mugs because there's no pre-press time. All you have to do is affix your graphic directly to it, and you should put some heat-resistant tape on there and go ahead and press, and you're good to go. Today, we'll be doing a cute image of a little puppy here onto this beautiful black mug. So let's go ahead and get this image affixed onto the mug and get it into the heat press. So now that I've went ahead and affixed that graphic onto the mug with the heat-resistant tape, we'll go ahead and place it into the mug press once again with no pre-press time, only for 60 seconds at a high pressure. We'll go ahead and get this closed up. It's also super mindful to keep a heat-resistant glove on hand. Many people do just happen to grab the mug out by the handle, but sometimes that heat could transfer over and you may need to have a heat-resistant glove to pull it out with. Now, with Multi-Trans Pro on mugs, again, it is an immediate release. So as soon as it comes off the heat press, we'll go ahead and take that image off and should be met with beautiful graphics and those super great details that come from it. So we'll go ahead and get the mug released from the mug press now, and I'll go ahead and just take it off, make sure that it's not too hot there by the handle. I think I'm good to go. We'll slide it out, and we'll just go ahead and remove that heat-resistant tape to be met with those beautiful graphics on this cup. Wow. And I think that came out super, oh man, it is very hot. I'm gonna put on a heat-resistant glove just to hold it up with. But I think this graphic came out super amazing. It says, "Home is where the dog is." And I think that's super beautiful. The colors came out extremely vibrant on this mug here. And the words came out with the super fine details all the way down to the grass that we have here. So this is a great design. It only took about 60 seconds overall in the heat press, and we immediately peeled and were met with this beautiful graphic already on the mug. So that's Multi-Trans Pro on a black ceramic mug in about 60 seconds or so, and that's all that it took. Now we're met with these great results. Thank you guys for joining me today. It was a pleasure having you, and I can't wait to see what you all create with Multi-Trans Pro.